Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Harry Viral. In this video we are going to learn how to add, subtract, multiply and divide the numbers in Excel, and it's a formula we will do now. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. So you can see here my data is here in column A and in column B. So for now you can see the data 10 to 54, 32, 69, 30. So in this condition what we are going to do is we are going to subtract first. So where we want the result, we will keep the cells there, and then we will start by equal to, and it denotes the formula. So we are going to insert formula that will calculate addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first we will enter equal to, and then after that what we want to do. So for now I want to subtract, so my A will be this cell, and you can see just clicking the cell and it shows the cell's reference number. So A2, this is A column and the row is 2, so it denotes A2. I will subtract from this A column minus column B, and you can see the formula is here also, it's appearing, and in here also in this cell. So I have done just subtract in these cells and I will get the result just hitting the enter. So you can see 10 minus 2 is 8, so I got the answer 8. In the same way I want to do for this and this, so I'll just simply copy. I can Control C and Control V, Control V. I can do like that also, and in another way I will just drag it. You can see the plus sign in the corner, just go here and click on this and hold it the mouse and keep down, and you can see the our formula is accurate and the result also accurate. So in the same way I will go here and start by hitting enter, and then write equal to, and the same way I will go to A cell plus B, enter, and again I will drag or copy paste. I got the answer 10 plus 2 is 12, 54 plus 32 86, 69 plus 30 99. I am getting the correct answer. The same way I will go to here and press equal to this cell into this cell, hit enter. I will copy, I will just copy and paste, copy, I will just this copy and here paste, and I am getting the answer here. In the same way I will go for division, equal to this divide by this, enter, and you can see 10 divided by 2 5. I will drag it here and I am getting the answer correct. So in this way you can calculate the cells as per your required data. So this is a quick and simple video which will help you a lot while working in Excel. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.